Ever notice your EV just doesn't go as far when winter hits? Let's find out why and how to fight back. Hey everyone, welcome to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here. Today we're talking about something many EV drivers in cold places worry about: how winter weather impacts electric cars. If you think your range drops when it's freezing out, you're absolutely right. I'm going to walk you through the what, the why, and most importantly, the how to make the best of your EV in cold weather, especially if you're up here in Canada. Let's get into it. 1. The issue: what happens in the cold? When the temperature drops, your EV's range can drop too. Real-world tests show reductions of roughly 20 to 30%, and in extreme cases even more. Why it happens: battery chemistry slows down in the cold, and heating the cabin drains extra power. For example, a study in very low temperatures found reductions between around 14% to 39% compared to milder conditions. 2. Why it matters for a driver. For daily driving, commutes, errands, you might be okay, but for highway trips or less frequent charging, the drop becomes meaningful. If you live in Canada or similar climates with cold winters, understanding this keeps you safe and prepared. Fewer "oops, I ran out" moments. 3. What's going on under the hood or under the battery pack? Cold slows the chemical reactions in the battery, so it can't deliver energy as efficiently. Cabin heaters draw significant power. Unlike a gas car that uses waste engine heat, EVs must consume battery energy for heating. Charging also slows because the battery management system protects the battery from being charged too fast when cold. 4. Real numbers and cold climate data. One Canadian study found reductions between 14 to 39% when temperatures were in the 7 degrees centigrade to 15 degrees centigrade range. Testing also shows that even around 4 degrees centigrade, you can see roughly 25% less range compared to mild weather. 5. Tips and best practices you can implement right away. Precondition your EV while still plugged in. Warm up the cabin and battery before driving. That means less battery drain once you roll. Use heated seats or steering wheel instead of full-blast cabin heat to save energy. Try to park in a garage or sheltered spot if possible. Keeps the battery warmer. Charge more frequently or keep a higher state of charge in winter so you have margin. Drive smoothly. Avoid heavy acceleration. Keep steady speeds. Use regenerative braking. Be smart about route planning and public charging. Charging in cold is slower. All right, folks, winter doesn't mean the EV dream is over. It just means we drive smart. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you're new around here, and share this video with anyone thinking about an EV but worried about winter. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest winter EV question?